Hi, this is Matt Maerowitz, Managing Attorney of the Maerowitz Law Firm. Is a DUI in the state of Arizona a misdemeanor or a felony? Let's find out. So, many people assume that a DUI in the state of Arizona is a felony. However, this actually is normally not the case. In most situations, a DUI in the state of Arizona is a misdemeanor. There are only a few situations that make a DUI a felony, and those are if you get your third DUI within 7 years, if you get a DUI while your driver's license is suspended, or you are supposed to have an interlock in your vehicle, if you get a DUI while you had a kid in the car, if you get a DUI while you're driving on the wrong side of the road, and then finally, if you get a DUI and you're involved in an accident. And this last scenario, when you're involved in an accident, is actually typically charged as a different type of felony offense, such as an aggravated assault. Because an accident, and not all accidents result in a felony case, it's one where there is serious property damage or if there's injury. That would be, in many circumstances, a felony case. So those are the situations that can cause a DUI to be a felony, but in pretty much all other circumstances, a DUI is going to be a misdemeanor. And what many people mistakenly think is that the higher your alcohol level is when driving, the more likely it is to be a felony. And in fact, the alcohol level does not determine whether a DUI is a felony or misdemeanor. It just determines whether it's an extreme DUI or a regular DUI, or what would be a super extreme DUI is if you're driving and have an alcohol level above a 0.2. But those are all misdemeanor charges in Arizona. They're just higher, they have higher punishments, mandatory minimum punishments than your first offense regular DUI. So regardless, DUI, even when charged as a misdemeanor, is a very serious offense. If you're found guilty, there is mandatory minimum jail time, and that's why, regardless of whether your charge is a misdemeanor or a felony, it is extremely important to contact a lawyer as soon as possible. I offer free consultations, so if you do find yourself charged with a DUI, call me at 480-927-3700.